Oh my goodness.
Alright, so there will be a non-calculated part in the test. So you'll have a sheet of questions that you're not allowed to use your calculator for. So what will happen is you'll have the calculator to one side, you'll answer the questions, and then you'll switch your calculator for the paper. So you'll put the paper there, and then you can use your calculator for the rest of it. Okay? If you want to come back to it, then you just have to switch back out. Okay? So switch, you just need to make sure you're not having got your calculator anywhere near. The kinds of questions might be rounding. Do you use a calculator for rounding? No. So that's likely to be on the non-calculated paper. Okay? We might have some stuff though that is a little bit harder. So if I said what's 10% of 82, you should be able to tell me just like that. 10% of 82 is 8.2. How did you get that, Maya? Exactly. Okay, so 82%, sorry, 10% of 82 is 8.2. Easy, yes?
Yeah. No. I thought you were going the other way.
Not. I know it's true because it's smaller, remember? So 100% is 82.
Wait.
So we're only running 10%, so it's going to be.
Never mind. I understood that part. I just didn't understand. I forgot where the last one was first. Can you do it one more time?
I forgot to
So, we move it one place to the left because we're running 10%.
Oh,
Yeah?
If it's money, it would be $80. So just this one place again. Put it one place, then it will be $80, and you would have to add a zero.
Awesome. So if it was $82, we'd have to have 0.0 because it's money.
Should we write this down? Or
Well, it's being videoed so you can watch it later. You can write the examples down. I did suggest
if we
having some paper.
understand it, can we not?
It's up to you.
I'll
This
just
is
write it
your
down if I
choice.
don't understand it.
Alright, so that's 10%. What if I wanted 20% of 82? What are we going to do that's 20%, Georgie?
You find 10 and then 20.
Yes, you find 10%, which we know is 8.2, and then we have to multiply that by 2. So we need to make sure that we can multiply numbers by 2. And if I have 8.2 multiplied by 2, so remember, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 2 multiplied by 8 is 16, and it's going to be 16.4. What about if it was 30% of 82?
Oh, I know this sounds
30% of 82, Abby?
What you do is you find 10% times by 3.
So we're finding 8.2 and we're multiplying by 3. So 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 3 multiplied by 8 is 24 is 24.6.
And so on.
Okay. Exactly. Well, if we were running 50%, how would you do it? What's a quick way? Divided by 2. We just start at the beginning and divide by 2. Exactly. Because 50% is half something.
And then if you want to find, you could just do half that and then half find
25. Yeah, you totally could.
I'm doing complimentary right now. I like to choose.
Thank you, Johnny, but we're trying to get this done ready for the test. Okay, so we've got 10%, 20%, 30%. We get the idea, yes?
Yes.
So finding 10% is super easy. We just multiply them. All right, another kind of question that you might have on this one is to write 0.36 as a fraction in its simplest form.
Oh, I know how to do that.
So we have to remind ourselves, how would we find 0.36 as a fraction to start off with? So what about just any fraction? 0.36. How do we do this? Sarah, do you remember?
Yeah.
What you have to do?
So, what you have to do is put it in its simplest form.
Well, not yet. We just want to write it as a fraction.
As a fraction, and then you put it into its simplest form. So if you do that, you have to go, so you know it's out of 100. So what
Why
I
out of 100?
So, because it has, you can see it's gone over 2 decimal places.
Good.
And what I do is I write out of 100, so I do the line, and then I do 100 under it.
Okay.
And then I worked out
What goes on the top?
was 36.
36. Okay, you're all happy with that?
Yeah.
So it was out of 100 because this is our tenths column and this is our hundredths column. And so our last digit was in our hundredths column, so that's why it's over 100. So we've got 36 over 100. But we've got to make sure we're reading instructions. It's got to be in its simplest form. So then we're going to have a look to see if we can simplify it. To simplify a fraction, you're looking to see, are there any numbers that divide into both of those numbers? Now, I know something special about 36 and 100. They are both what kind of numbers? Even. So I know 2 has to go into both of them. So 36 divided by 2 is
Something over 50.
36 divided
I
by 2.
know.
You have to, so go, these are the kinds of things you have to do in your head without a calculator.
I can do it. I'm listening to the top one.
Well, you're going to have to do it in the test, so you need to practice.
Ooh.
Maya?
It's
It's, okay, if we're not sure, we can write it like this. 2 goes into 3 how many times?
1.
And then remainder 1. 2 goes into 16 how many times? Pardon? So that must be 18 over 50. Yes? Now, what's special about 18 and 50? They're both even still, so we can go even smaller. So, 18, what's 18 divided by 2? 9 and 20. 15 is 25. Alright, so there's our final answer. Okay? So you need to be able to do these divisions in your head as well. What about if I said you had 33% as a fraction? 33% as a fraction in its simplest form. Jay?
You have to divide it by 100.
So what would I write?
So 33 point over 100.
By 100 is a fraction. Does that simplify?
No.
No, so we leave it as it is.
Wait, isn't it divided by something?
No, we multiply it as a fraction, darling.
But they're going to change it to a percentage.
We have changed it from a percentage to a fraction.
You didn't divide it by 100.
This shows it's divided by 100.
Oh.
Yeah? Right, what if I had 3% as a decimal? 3% as a decimal. Seeker. What would I write as 3% as a decimal? How do you change percentages to decimals? Do you remember? You're going to have to do this next week, so you need to get it fresh in your mind. 3% as a decimal. What do we know about percentages? They're out of how much? 100. So what do you think you might do to this number to change it to a decimal? Most of the questions we're either multiplying or dividing by 100, aren't we? So what do you think you're going to do for this one? Do you think you're going to multiply by 100 or divide it by 100? Okay, so what's 3% multiplied by 100? What would that be? What's 3 multiplied by 100? 300. Is this going to be 300 as a decimal? So do you think you've gone the right way? So what do you think you're going to do instead? Divide. Okay, so if I divide that by 100, what do I get? So you've got 3, and you're dividing by 100. What's the rule when we're dividing something by 100? Remember, we imagine the decimal point here, and what happens to it?
And if there was 2 places.
2 places. So we've got 1, 2. So do we just write 0 and then a gap 3? What do we do?
0.
0.03. Good girl. We put zeros in the gaps. Okay? So 3% as a decimal is 0.03. So these are the kinds of questions that you may have on the non-calculated paper. Nothing here is too stressful, correct? You can multiply and you can divide by 100 in your head. Yes? So kinds of things that you may be asked to do.
Can we? It's
The other thing that lots of people weren't so hot on the other day of the quiz was estimating. I think you all got the rule.
Yes.
So if we're to estimate, so if I had 32746 multiplied by 1934, if we were to estimate the answer, this might be on the non-calculator paper, okay? So there's a rule. We have to do what to the numbers? James?
You have to do the lowest term.
How do you mean?
So you have to take the 3 underline and circle the 2, and then you would, because the 2 isn't of 5 or more, you're gonna keep 3, and then you're gonna add 4 zeros, and then you're gonna times it, and then you're gonna do the same thing to the
What, do I underline the 3 here?
No, you're gonna underline the first number.
Good.
And then you're circling the second one. Is 9 bigger than 5? It's gonna be 2, and add 3.
Okay, so let's just 1 second. What have we done here? What have we rounded these numbers to? So, not necessarily to the thousands. What do we normally describe it? How many digits do we have? The first digit, we've got 1 digit. So how do we normally describe that? That's to one significant figure. Good girl, Georgie. One significant figure. So you always round them so that there's one significant figure. Because we can now do that in our heads, can't we?
Yeah.
We do 3 multiplied by 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros.
Oh, you had both.
Okay?
6 million?
60 million.
60 million?
Alright, so there are 6 and 7 zeros. Shh. Now, can we sit down, please? What is wrong with everybody? I just want to figure. So if we have a division, maybe we've got 5736, and we're dividing that by 182. Okay, if we had the division, we'd round it to one significant figure, so this would become 6,000. We're dividing this by 200. Sit down, please. Now, if we're dividing things, and it's a non-calculator paper, I would suggest to write them like this. Okay? Because dividing is the same as this line here. That's what that line means. Just leave it. So if we've got these questions here, we can divide them by 10, by 100, and then we've got 60 divided by 2. What's 60 divided by 2? 30. That's our final answer.
Isn't it
Okay?
3?
No, 60 divided by 2, because we've crossed these zeros out from both of those numbers. No, you don't add them back. Okay?